Judges are really critical for criminal justice reform. There's been a lot of attention lately to prosecutors who absolutely should be people that we look to in terms of reforming and getting better folks in there. But we also need to do the same thing with respect to judges. And the reason for that is because our federal judges are responsible for enforcing constitutional guarantees. And there are so many constitutional guarantees that speak directly to criminal cases and making sure that government doesn't go too far. So, for example, making sure there are no Eighth Amendment violations and a punishment isn't cruel and unusual. Making sure that jurisdictions aren't imposing fines and fees against people too poor to pay, which would be an equal protection and due process violation. It's also important to think about judges because they're making really key discretionary decisions day to day in criminal cases. They are setting bail or they're releasing people pre-trial, they're making evidentiary decisions, they are imposing sentences, and who is on the bench is going to affect how those discretionary decisions get made. And right now, really too often the people on the bench are selected from the ranks of prosecutors. So we just have a judiciary that is dominated by former prosecutors. And if we really want to see effective criminal justice reform, we're going to have to think about starting to select judges that bring different professional backgrounds, people who have criminal defense experience, who've worked on criminal justice reform, and really can see the system from a broader lens than just having been a former prosecutor.